In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate forms from Typeform to Jotform in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible. To begin, open up your preferred web browser and head over to www.typeform.com. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button sitting comfortably at the top right corner of the home page. Go ahead and click on that. You have a couple of options here. You can either enter your credentials directly, or if you prefer, you can log in using your Google, Microsoft, or even another authentication service if you've previously set that up. Of course, if you're going with the email route, just punch in your email address and password. Once you've filled that in, simply click the login button to proceed. Okay, now that you're logged into Typeform, it's time to select the form you want to migrate. You can select any form you've previously created. After selecting your form, the next step is to click on Share. This will allow you to copy the link of the form, but here's a crucial side note. It's essential that your form is published before you copy the link. If it's not published, you'll want to do that first. With the form link copied, it's time to open another tab in your browser and navigate to Jotform. You can do this by typing in https www.jotform.com typeform alternative migrate into your address bar. Now before you can continue, you'll need to log into your Jotform account. If you haven't yet done that, make sure to log in so you can proceed with the migration. Once you're logged into Jotform, you've essentially reached the home stretch. On the migration page, over on the left side, you'll notice a box. This is where you need to paste the Typeform link you copied earlier. Make sure you paste it into the designated field so it's ready for migration. With the link pasted in, you'll find a button that says Migrate your forms to Jotform. Click this button and voila, your Typeform data will start migrating over to Jotform. And just like that, in just a few smooth steps, you've successfully migrated your form from Typeform to Jotform. Whether you're updating your skills or streamlining your workflow, this quick method will keep things efficient and hassle-free for your form management needs. Thank you for tuning in, and happy form migrating.